Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are a content creator on YouTube, you might want to convert your own videos into MP3 format. So whether it is for creating your podcast, sharing audio clips and achieving your content, it can be really useful to have videos in audio format. So VLC Media Player is a fantastic free tool that allows you to convert your own video or your own YouTube videos into MP3 files quickly and easily, all without needing any additional software or any online converters. So in this video I will show you exactly how to download and convert your YouTube videos to MP3 format using VLC. I will take you through the entire process step by step, and in just a few minutes you will be able to listen to your content offline in a high quality audio. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned in this video down in the description box below. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we will start by installing VLC Media in your PC or in your computer. So first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar you need to just search for videoland.org. Videoland.org is basically the official website for VLC, and from here you can download and install VLC Media Player in your device. If you don't want to use this path, you can just simply click in your Microsoft Store, and over here you can just use the search bar in the top and search for VLC Media Player. You can also download and install VLC absolutely for free in your PC from your Microsoft Store. So this was the first step of installing VLC Media Player first. Now you just have to simply launch VLC Media Player just like so. You can either play your video here and then you can proceed to the steps, or you can simply open VLC Media Player just like so, and then you can start proceeding with the further steps. So once you are in your VLC Media Player, you just have to hover over to the media section in the top menu, and over here you need to select the option of open network system. So this is the open network stream. Over here what you can do is you can simply paste the URL of your YouTube video. In order to get that, you need to launch your YouTube channel, and there you will see all of your uploaded videos. You just have to copy the link from there and you just have to paste it over here and then click on the play button. So at this point VLC will start playing the video, but we are not here to watch it. We are actually preparing to download and convert it. So once the video is playing in your VLC Media Player, now is the time to actually convert and save it in MP3. So in order to do that, you just have to again hover over to the top left hand section and click on media. This time you will see the option of convert/save here. So simply click on this option. So you will see this type of dialog box in front of you, where by default the file selection will be opened, and this is the area where we want to work. So over here you need to click on this add option, and you need to choose the path. You need to select that particular video which you want to convert into MP3. So after selecting the video, you need to simply press the open button, and it should look something like this, where the path will come here. So once it is added successfully, if you want to use a subtitle file, you can use that. You just have to check this box and you can move forward to the further steps, but for this video I'm gonna keep it unchecked. If you wanted to show more options, you just have to click on the show more options, and from here you can change the caching. You can change the start and the stop timing of the video. You can take a look at the MRL, and you can just see the added options. So once you are done with all of these, you just have to simply click on the convert/save option, and here you will see the source. Make sure that it is correct. Make sure that the name of the video is correct. Now over here you will see profile tab, and you will see this drop down menu. So you need to click on it, and by default the audio will be MP3. So you just have to simply select it. From here in this list it is audio MP3. If it is selected different, you just have to click on this drop down menu, and from here you just have to select the audio format, which is MP3. Now you just have to click on the start button here, but before that you need to provide the destination file. So click on the browser option, and let's say I want to give it a name as 1. Now after giving the name to your audio, you need to click on the start button and let VLC do its work. So it will take some time and it will convert that video into audio, and you will get that in your path where you have actually added that video. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. You can even leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you need further assistance. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.